Lukas here with FastCap. I'm going to show you our TriBlade. Our TriBlade is our fantastic utility knife. TriBlade is named Tri because this knife actually holds 3 blades. There's one in the knife ready to use, and then there's a storage compartment in the back that holds 2 spare blades. That way, when your blade gets dull or you break it, you don't have to run over to a toolbox, search for a blade. It's right there in your knife, ready to replace right on the spot. To replace a blade, all you have to do is slide the thumb lock out of the back of the knife. The blade will come right out with it. Dispose of your blade, safely of course, and then slide the storage compartment out of the back, grab a new blade, line the hole up with the little boss and the thumb piece, press it back in, and you're ready to go. TriBlade has a rubber grip around it, so it's super comfortable to use, feels great in your hand, doesn't slip. The blade extends anywhere from, of course, 0 inches, fully retracted, all the way out to 3 1/8 inches, which is about 80 millimeters. The TriBlade has 1/2 millimeter thick blades that fit in it, and they are breakaway blades. So if you like to break your blade away as it starts to dull instead of resharpening it, very easy to do that. I of course recommend picking up a blade breaker from FastCap if you like breaking them away. The blade breaker breaks them safely so you don't have pieces of blade flying in the air, and has a little magnet in the bottom so that all your little pieces will stay in there, never drop out and end up getting stepped on or anything like that. If you don't like breaking them away and you want to make your blades last a long time, you can of course sharpen them. I recommend a pocket chisel 1000 grit sharpener from FastCap. These fold up nicely to fit in your pocket, and you can resharpen your blade over and over again with that and make it last forever. TriBlade is an awesome utility knife. Pick one up today, you're absolutely going to love it. It has a auto lock on it, so when you extend the blade, any length you extend it to, it's going to automatically lock in place there. The auto lock holds 55 pounds of force, and if any space you put it in, you don't have to lock it or anything. Wherever you slide the blade to, it'll stay right there, nice and safe for cutting. Blade's not sliding around on you at all. Also, if you're using the TriBlade for Kaizen foam at all, I recommend checking out our knife sled. The TriBlade fits perfectly into the knife sled, and it holds it at a perfect 90-degree angle so that you get perfectly straight sidewalls for all your cuts, for cutting your sheets to size to fit into all your drawers. TriBlade from FastCap. Pick one up today. You're gonna love this product.